Starting digital marketing involves several key steps. Define your goals. Determine what you want to achieve through digital marketing. This could be increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, generating leads, or boosting sales. Understand your audience. Research your target audience to understand their demographics, interests, and online behavior. This information will guide your marketing strategies. Build your online presence. Create or optimize your website and social media profiles. Your online presence should reflect your brand identity and offer valuable content to your audience. Content strategy. Develop a content strategy that aligns with your goals and resonates with your audience. This includes creating blog posts, videos, infographics, and other types of content. SEO. Search engine optimization. Optimize your website and content for search engines to improve visibility and organic traffic. Focus on keyword research, on-page SEO, and off-page SEO techniques. Social media marketing. Utilize social media platforms to engage with your audience, share content, run ads, and build a community around your brand. Email marketing. Build an email list and create targeted email campaigns to nurture leads, promote products or services, and drive conversions. Paid advertising. Consider running paid advertising campaigns on platforms like Google Ads, Facebook ads, or LinkedIn ads to reach a broader audience and drive immediate results. Analytics and monitoring. Use analytics tools like Google Analytics, social media insights, and email marketing analytics to track your performance, measure ROI, and make data-driven decisions. Continuous improvement. Digital marketing is an ongoing process. Continuously monitor and optimize your strategies based on performance data and industry trends. Would you like more details on any of these steps?